Hello, this is my little math adventure game, and if you press start, it brings you to here. You're in a small room, 3 meters wide, 3 meters long, 3 meters high. The walls are made of dark wood. They are rough to the touch. There are no nails that you can see. The floor is similar to the walls, dark wood, almost black, but smooth and hard. The ceiling also seems to be made of the same wood panels that make up the walls. Bookshelves line the walls. There's a door behind you that is made of polished brass. Another door on your right is made of solid oak. If I answer oak, then it's like, oh, I didn't understand what you mean. Please find another way of saying it. What if I said, open the door? You must say which door? How about open the oak door? Oh, look at that. It brings me to a new page. The door does not open. However, you notice a note has been pinned to its wooden surface. The note reads, the numbers 1 to 25 are arranged into 5 rows and 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the table below, what is the largest possible sum that can be made using the 5 of these numbers, such that no two numbers come from the same row and no two numbers come from the same column? Let's say the correct answer is 65. Okay, and if I put in something else like 45, it should give me a little error message saying that's not the correct answer. But if I put in 65, it says the door opens. You walk down a long hallway. There are 2 doors. One door is marked game and the other is marked question. If I put game, I do not understand your answer. Please rephrase it. How about open the door marked game? Oh, look at that. This door opens and you find yourself in the bedroom of David Lightman in 1983. There's a computer on the desk. There's a bookshelf containing 34 books. What do? You could read a book, or you could turn on the computer maybe. And then...
Shall we play a game?
Oh. You power the computer on the screen, you read the following question. Shall we play a game? And I'm like, yeah, why not? The answer is incorrect. Please try again. How about sure? I don't understand what you mean. Okay, let's try.
Shall we play a game?
Okay, answer is incorrect. Please try again.
Shall we play a game?
Oh, I don't know. Love to. How about global thermonuclear? This is from a movie called War Games that was released in 1983. Nuclear war? Question mark.
Who am I?
And if you answer it correctly, if you put in the next line in the movie, it says what kind of computer is that you've just turned on. And it is a IMSA 8080. There we are. And it brings you to this question, and so on and so on. So it's a choose your own adventure game, and sometimes there's 1 right answer, sometimes there's 2 right answers, or there's 2 possible responses. So let's go and look at how to do this. Well, I'm in my Tumblr, and I'm going to go over to here, new, add a new Tumblr. I'm going to call this multimedia adventure. No, I'm not a robot. Create the blog. Once I've created the blog, you can put some images and stuff like that on there. But I'm just going to start off, and I'm going to go to click on that. I'm looking for the thing that's going to allow me to edit the themes. So I'm going to click on this little settings thing, and edit the theme comes up. Click on that, and I'm going to need a whole bunch of pages. So I'm going to come way down to here, and I'm going to click on add a page. And this is going to be, the layout is going to be a custom layout. The URL, I'm going to call this page A. And I'm going to repeat this a lot. Page A, and the layout. I'm just going to make page A, and then I'm going to copy and paste it a lot. So in page A, I'm going to start off with HTML. So HTML, like that. Inside my HTML, so the first thing I'm going to say is I'm going to give a simple choice. I've given a little choice. I'm going to make an input, so input, and this is going to be type is equal to text, and I'm going to give it an ID, so my ID is going to be my input. On change, we're going to go to a function, and that function would be check answer. How about that? Open bracket, close bracket, then we're going to close that tag. So let's have a look at what that does. So update the preview and then save. It spills my text onto the screen. You're in a room. It is a boring and ordinary room. The floor is tiled with 900 identical white ceramic tiles. There's a door on the north side of the room and a door on the south side of the room. What do you do? And then there's a little text box. I can enter some text. And if I press return, nothing happens. I'm in Chrome, so under View, I'm going to go down to Developer, and I'm going to go down to JavaScript console. And this will tell us the output of everything. Now it's saying check answer is not defined, okay, because we haven't defined it yet. Drag this down a little bit. maybe stretch this a little bit. This is where we're going to put in our script. So I'm going to put in a script tag, script, like that. The type is going to be text/JavaScript. You're all going to become JavaScript programmers now. The script that I'm going to make a little function called checkAnswer. So I'm just going to copy that function, checkAnswer, open brace bracket, close brace bracket, and in there, I'm going to make a variable, and I'm going to call it ans for answer, is equal to document dot get element by ID. So get element, the E is capitalized, the B in by is capitalized, and the I in ID is capitalized. We're getting my input. So we put that in quotes, my input, and we're getting its value. Let's make sure that we got the right thing, and this is where the JavaScript console comes in. Console.log, and then anything I write here is going to go there. So I'm going to say answer, like that, a space, and I'm going to put plus, and then the value of my answer. So what this is going to do is going to give me the word answer, a space, and then our value.